So we've got some chicken today, some vegetables, garlic, ginger. We're going to make a kind of Chinese style beautiful dish. Really, really easy. Tastes fabulous. Doesn't take long. That's it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we get moving on this one. Okay, chicken breast. I've got one large chicken breast there, no skin, no bone, cut into nice thin pieces. 1 cup of onions sliced. 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Couple of star anise, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using a dark soy sauce. You could use a light one if you want. And then these are the vegetables I'm using, the selection. These are about 1 cup each. Zucchini, green beans, carrots, and of course you can change that to whatever you want, some broccoli, some mushrooms, up to you really. Okay, let's get moving. So you're going to need a wok or a frying pan or something like that. And in my wok here, I've got some oil. I'm using a corn oil. You can use any oil you like, actually. We're going to start off by dropping in the tablespoon of garlic and the ginger. To that, I'm going to add that little bit of star anise. You could use star anise powder if you want, or a little 5 spice maybe. That works well as well. So as you can see, we're on a nice high heat. And we're going to cook this all the way on a high heat. So a few seconds, just to see if we can get a little bit of colour onto the garlic and ginger. And then what I'm going to do is I'm not going to add my chicken next, which you might think I would be doing. I'm going to add the green beans and the carrots. These are actually going to take longer to cook than the chicken. So keep stirring away for 3 minutes and then I'll be back. So we just need to give those hard vegetables a head start. Now I'm going to add in that 1 cup of onion. 2 more minutes. Once again, high heat, keep it moving. Fabulous. Now we're going to add the chicken breast. 1 decent sized chicken breast, no skin and no bone, cut into nice thin pieces. We're now going to add a little bit of salt. Don't add too much salt because we're going to add the soy sauce and the oyster sauce, which are both salty. Black pepper, nice big pinch, or maybe even 2 of that in there. 4 minutes, high heat. Really easy, really beautiful. Fabulous. Now what I'm going to do is I've got my zucchini to add. I'm going to get them in now. And we're going to go just for another 2 to 3 minutes. And I like a kind of nice crunch on my vegetables. And like I say, depending on the type of vegetables you're using is when you're going to drop them in. Celery, things like that, in first. Mushrooms, zucchini, in last. You know what I mean. See you in a couple of minutes. Super happy. Okay, we're now going to drop in a couple of tablespoons of oyster sauce. We're then going to add the soy. We're then going to add a little bit of water. And again, on the high heat, about 2 or 3 minutes, we've done it. Off goes the heat. You've got yourself a really beautiful chicken veg there, Chinese kind of style. Now if you wanted, you can get some green onions in there and give them a little mix. For me, I'm just going with this today. Let me get that on a plate. So that would be perfect with some white rice or some noodles if you want. But yeah, nice and easy, chicken, vegetables, Chinese style, beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, do all that kind of stuff, comment, like, blah, blah, blah. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.